Big data. It's the offspring of the data explosion, a set of technologies to capture, analyze, store, and organize the terabytes of data that organizations collect. Hi everybody, Jim Malone, Executive Editorial Director for IDG Enterprises Custom Solutions Group here. Today's data stream is like drinking from a fire hose. Thanks to social media and its importance to businesses, it's easy to be overwhelmed. And what about small and mid-sized businesses? Should they invest in the solutions and skills to get on the big data bandwagon? I think the answer is an unqualified absolutely. The big deal about big data is this. New technologies make it easier to store and analyze this mountain of data. And cloud-enabled technologies like Office 365 make it easier to get your workers involved. Look, one of the big issues with big data is people. Do you have the right skills on board? In our big data study from CIO Magazine, 34% of SMBs said this was their top big data concern. And half of them told us big data was a high priority. Well, here's one way to tackle that, what the business analytics folks call sandboxing. Think of it as test and dev on a micro scale. Get the data, and this is crucial, the tools to analyze, organize, and share it out to the folks who can play with it in a low-risk environment. Suddenly, an organization of almost any size is a big data skunkworks, innovation at its best. Tom Davenport, longtime business analytics advocate and author, says this about organizations of any size. There's nothing stopping your organization from training your own experts or establishing internships with promising students. It's the organizations that are most aggressive and forward-looking about building or buying these skills that will prosper with big data.